Today I'm going to prepare for you smoked salmon salad. So let's get started. These are the ingredients that I will be using today. I have some Dejun mustard, mayo, capers, garlic, dill, celery, and a half a lemon. I will be adding salt to taste a little bit later, and I'll let you know how much salt I will use. This is the salmon. I'm going to place it on a plate that I cooked on the grill on Easter Sunday when I prepped all that food. We didn't eat all of the salmon, so now I'm going to make a salad out of the salmon. So I'm going to pull back the skin. I'm not going to use the skin in the recipe. Take off the skin. It was cooked on the grill outside, and it's so moist. There's so much moisture in this fish. See how oily my hand is? You can tell it's really juicy. Place this in the garbage. Okay, I'm gonna start on a salad dress, on a salmon salad. That's 1 tablespoon of mayo, heaping tablespoon of mayo. That's a very large tablespoon. So I'm gonna place about 3 tablespoons of mayo in here. Now I have 1 small garlic I've chopped up. I'm gonna add that in. Also the dill is like a pinch of dill. It's not even about a 1/8 of a teaspoon of dill. And these are the chopped capers. It's kind of used. Add that in there. And I have a cup of celery I chopped up. I'm going to add some Dejun Mustard. This has no carbs, no sugar in it. I'll mix this up. And I'm going to add the half a lemon. Okay, trying not to get seeds in there. Here's the other part of this, a very large lemon. There you go. Okay, let it drain. Okay, I'll mix that up. This is a great summer salad, or any time really. I mainly make this during the summer because a lot of times I don't want anything hot. So I'm gonna taste it to determine how much salt I should add. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of salt, sea salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna add my salmon to it. It's smoked. If you didn't watch the video where I prepped a lot of meat on the grill, you should go back and watch that one. It's a very good video. I'm just trying to break it up a little bit. Okay, let me wash my hands. Now you want to mix it up. I'll place it in the refrigerator for about an hour. I tasted it after I took it out of the refrigerator. I think it needs a little sugar, so I'm adding a little stevie sugar to the salad and mix it up again. Let's see how it tastes now. I'm gonna add a little more. I think I'm gonna add the whole pack. This is really tart and I kind of want to sweeten it up a little bit. Okay, and this is how I like to serve my salad. I just add it right in the middle of the lettuce. So you want to use romaine lettuce, wash it, and dry it off. And I just put it right in the center here. And this is a beautiful salad here. So if you like this recipe, like, share, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.